This is the launching page of our app. When I click get started today, it will take us to add a new trip. And first of all, we have to type a trip title. It can be like a trip to New York, a trip with my family, a trip with friends, a business trip. For example, I'm writing like New York with my family. Then we have to select the destination. When we type the destination name, it should show in the Google Maps suggestion. Here I'm typing New York City and it is showing. Then I have to select the trip date, what date I want to start and when I want to end. I'm here selecting a 16 days trip, and then we have to select our budget. Here everyone has a specific budget limit, and that we can list it. For example, I'm putting 2,000 in here, and then the number of travelers, for example, my family members are 5, and then note, any type of note, and then save the trip. And here you can see we can pin the trip, we can unpin it, we can delete it anytime, and also we can update the trip. When I click the trip, it will automatically take us to there and show us the details that we have saved earlier, and let us edit any information that we want. For example, I'm editing the trip name in here, and I'm putting New York with friends, and I can save the changes. And also here you can see the Google Map, the trip is showing in the Google Map. And if I wanna change my budget, I can also do it. Like I can split it also for the lodging, for the food, for the transportation, for the activities and others. And this actually helps us so much like a wallet, like we are keeping specific budgets in the wallet, and we can update it later too and save it. And also for if we want to add more item, like item name, what kind of items we want to add. For example, we can add bag. Then we can also select from the categories, like we can add clothes. Then we can select like electronics. We can also select documents, and we can add it in the items, and we can also delete it if we want. And we can also checklist it, like if we have packed it or not. And unnecessary items we can delete anytime. And then in the add activity, we can also add the title of the activity. And for example, we want to watch a movie, and we have to enter the time, what time we want to start it and end it. And then we can add any additional note, and then we can edit it, and when it's done we can check mark it, and we can update it anytime. For example, if we want to increase our time limit, we can save the changes, and we can check it as done when it's done, and we can delete the activity anytime too. Also, when we save a trip, it saved in the list. We can delete, we can pin anytime. So that is all.